let's see how to switch templates in your Wix website. Currently, Wix doesn't support directly switching templates on an existing site. Currently, Wix doesn't support directly switching templates on an existing site. However, you can achieve this by creating a new site with your desired template and transferring your content to it. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Wix account on your browser and then create a new site. Once you're in, click your previous site and click the Design Your Website. And then open another website template for you to able to transfer from your old site into your new website. Go back to your old website and select the elements you wish to transfer. Click Ctrl+C to copy. Go to your new website to paste it. Now, arrange the elements on your new website. Now, click Publish. Click Save and Continue. Now click View Site. Now, the elements you transferred from your old website is now on your new website. That's how you switch templates in your Wix website. See you soon!